Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Pullers. I'm Pat.
And I'm Max.
And we love Murkrow.
Murkrow.
Today we will be hunting for Murkrow or any other bird. And we will do that by opening 4 Paradox Rift and 4 Destined Rivals. We will open 2 each. So Max, do you want the first 2 or the second 2 Paradox Rift?
I want the second 2.
And do you want the first 2 or the second 2 Destined Rivals?
The Ho-Oh.
Okay, second 2. Okay, then I will start, and I will start with Paradox Rift. And we will only count birds. Yes, of course. We are hunting birds, but I was going to say we will only count Illustration Rare, SIRs, or Full Art. No, not any EX or any common. We want special birds. Code card. Focus, camera. And 1 to the back. Psychic. And we have Dweeble. We was just discussing that today. We was watching someone who was talking about if it's Dweeble or Dwebble. I will say Dweeble and Max will probably say Dwebble. And we have Whismur. Doublade. I want to say Duoblade, no, but then it should be U before O. Doublade. Surskit. Rika. Screamtail. Professor Sada's Vitality. Technoradar. He's really having a problem focusing here. And Gligar. And Goldengo EX. Is it a bird? No, throw it away. Just kidding. And I will take my next Paradox Rift. And I want to see some birds. We have the code card. And Max will guess wrong.
Electric.
Is it water?
Yes.
Oh, I wanted to say water, but I thought it was wrong. Okay. We have the Snorrent. Knucklestack. Plusle. Dottler. Tatsugiri. Keep focus, please. Thank you. Vanillux. Defiance Vest. Tinkatink. And show me a bird. That's not a bird. That's Professor Turu's scenario. And almost a bird.
Yeah.
A dragon. We don't count dragons as bird. They are dragons. Okay. Then I will go over to Destined Rivals. And now the hunt for Murkrow can begin.
Or Ho-Oh.
Yeah, but Ho is not Murkrow. It's almost, not even almost either. It's a bird at least. We will be happy with any bird. Code card. And we have Fighting.
Water.
No, it was Squawkabilly. And we have Roselia. Nidoran. Focus again. Thank you. Flaffy. Shamin. Ethan's Adventure. Abomasnow. Nidoran. And Taurus. And we got hits, but we don't get birds. Nidoking EX. Nice. 3 hits out of 3, or?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Looking rough to me.
Well, I haven't gotten any birds, so that's all you need to fix. Fix a bird and I will be happy. Kogat. And, do you want to guess wrong? Psychic.
Fire.
Chingling, Fomantis, Squawkabilly, Roselia, Lipard, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Ogerpon, Tealmask Ogerpon, Mudbray, like the little, is it a donkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, very cute. And Cynthia's Power Weight and 444. Team Rocket Sneeze, not 444, but 3 out of 4 is good. And now Max will continue to hunt for birds.
Time to pull some birds. Wait.
What will you start with?
Paradox Rift.
And the Altaria. Wasn't that your chase card when we opened?
No, it's Tapu Koko SIR.
Oh. And you will get this Swablu
Code card.
Psychic.
Electric.
We're really not good at this.
Steel. Surskit. Magpie. Flamigo. Porygon. He's playing with the blocks.
He's playing Minecraft.
Yeah. Steenie. Gliscor. Absol. Ooh. Nice artwork.
Looks like a puzzle.
Yeah, he looks really terrifying. Nimble.
And
Sharkadat. And
pull off the pull.
Enhance EX.
4 out of 5. This is.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Next pack. Good card.
Now I will change to water.
Then I pick grass.
I thought you would say that you would pick psychic.
Should have not.
Next time.
Swablu.
Now you're aiming for the birds finally.
Yeah. I just need an illustration.
You just need a big bird.
Yeah. Pansear. Nickit. Gligar. Sebstrika. Crocalor. He's watching the sunset peacefully.
In Mexico. I don't know why,
Yeah.
but it feels like Mexico.
Or in just a
because
desert.
of the sand. Yeah. And I think the hat maybe also was Mexico.
Yeah.
At least to me.
Ambipom. Iron Moth.
And
Gimmighoul. And Feeble.
4 for 6. No? Yes, 4 for 6.
Yeah.
And now back to Murkrow hunt.
Yeah.
Finally we will get the Murkrow. We haven't got Murkrow before, right?
We haven't, I think.
I don't think so.
Code card.
Fighting.
Electric. Dark. Growlithe. Nice artwork. Swallow. Electabuzz. Cynthia's Roselia. Team Rocket's Ariana. Floatzel. Team Rocket's Houndoom. Marnie's Lipard. And Ethan's Pichu. And Hydrapple. And last pack, Magic. Code card.
Psychic. I will go back to Psychic now.
Electric. Fire. Team Rocket's Nidorina. Steven's Baltroy. Ethan's Sudowoodo. Orven's Squavet. Team Rocket's Porygon C. Team Rocket's Houndoom. Energy Recycler. Lurantis. And Boisel.
Or Boozle, I don't know.
Boisel. I don't know.
And
Team Rocket's Spidops. And that was it.
no birds, but we will be back with
the pulls
for today. Let's take a look at today's pulls. We had the Iron Hands EX, Goldengo EX, Nidoking EX, and Roaring Moon EX. We will be back again in the future with a second episode of Hunt for the Birds. We thank you all for watching today. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and spread some Pokemon love out there. Bye! Fly, bird. Fly, dragon, I mean.